Where are you today?
Right now, I'm eating my lunch and churro.
And why are you eating your lunch and churro? Where were we this morning?
Dartmouth.
And what were
Delivering firewood. We left home at 7:30. It's 11:30 now.
Yeah.
We've already gone to Dartmouth and back to Truro.
Yeah. It's 450 kilometers round trip. I don't know what that is in miles.
2.5 hours from home.
Yeah, it's a 2.5 hour drive. Yeah. New customer who called us a couple weeks ago, needed some dry firewood for his house to get him through the spring. He wanted a cord, and then of course because of the super long distance, it was going to be quite a bit for. It was actually going to cost more for the delivery than it was for the firewood, kiln dried firewood. So I told him that I had another half a cord coming out of the kiln that I could supply him. He said, "I'll take it." And so that kind of spread out his delivery costs. And yeah, so it finished yesterday. We loaded the truck yesterday afternoon. And we left first thing this morning. And got to his place. Google Maps helped us get there, and no problem at all. Right down into the very center of Dartmouth. And yeah, found his place and backed in and dropped it off. And he was happy as a clam.
Yep.
Tickled pink. He said it sounded great coming out of the back of the truck, nice and dry. He had a pallet of wood there that he had bought from a local big box store. They had dropped off not that long ago. They sell skids of seasoned firewood on, I think, about maybe a face cord or a third of a cord on a pallet. But even by his own standards, he said it wasn't dry at all.
He lifted up the tarp and you could tell it was wet.
Yeah. So it wasn't, it might have been seasoned, but not very well. So yeah, that's, we took care of him. He was happy, and now we're just on our way back home, and stopped here at Truro at the East Coast International Truck Center to pick up some diesel exhaust fluid for the truck. And now we're just having some lunch, because we always pack a lunch when we're on the road. That's just what we do. And yeah, we're gonna head home. Anything else? That's it. All good.
All good.
Gonna go home and eat some cake. Some birthday cake. It was somebody's birthday yesterday. I don't know whose. Maybe somebody here. Could have been.
We don't want to talk about it.
We don't want to talk about it. It's a sensitive subject. All right, folks. See you later.